The logo projector is taken and positioned on the welding tool. Once positioned, the cycle start button is pressed, activating the automatic process. The machine performs an automatic reading of the product label to verify its identity. The loading trolley advances to the intermediate position, where the welding process will be carried out. The sonotrode descends to weld the transparency to the logo projector socket. When the welding is completed, the carriage moves to the next position. Via a Cartesian system with two electric linear axes, the logo projector is transported from the loading trolley to the mover, where it is precisely positioned. In this station, the logo projector is automatically switched on, projecting the logo onto a flawless screen. A camera inspects the projection. If the result is satisfactory, the process continues. Otherwise, it will be sent to the rejection belt. The product is transported to the lacing station, where it is marked with the customer's references and a data matrix code. This code is inspected by a reader to ensure that it is correctly read and continues with the traceability of the product inside the machine. The pallet moves to the unloading position, where a second Cartesian system with two electric linear axes places the product on the green belt if the inspections are favorable and on the red belt if they are not.